Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, and wireless WAN module if installed. Removal: disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, touchscreen, and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully open the right display panel hinge. Remove the right display panel hinge support bracket from the alignment pin on the top cover and remove. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the touchscreen cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the touchscreen and display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 5mm and 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully open the left display panel hinge. Remove the left display panel hinge bracket from the alignment pins on the top cover. Lift the top cover and carefully guide it out from under the display panel hinges. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel or top cover. Remove the top cover. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: power connector cable, system board, power button board, touchpad board, speakers. Carefully guide the top cover underneath the display panel hinges and lower it into position. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel or top cover. Place the left display panel hinge support bracket onto the alignment pin on the top cover. Close the left display panel hinge. Replace the 4mm and 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Connect the touchscreen cable into its connector on the system board and replace the retention tape. Connect the display panel cable onto its connector on the system board. Route the touchscreen and display panel cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Place the right display panel hinge support bracket onto the alignment pin on the top cover. Close the display panel hinge. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the top cover. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.